Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, let's solve this matrix problem. It is given that P is equal to this matrix, A is equal to this matrix. Now Q is equal to PA P transpose. You have to find what is P transpose Q to the power 2026 P. Now let's solve this. Given Q equal to PA P transpose. To find P transpose Q to the power 2026 into P. What is this? So first let's find what is P transpose Q P. So here it is P transpose. What is Q? Q is PA P transpose. It is multiplied by P. Now you know that matrix multiplication is associative. That is AB multiplied by C. You can write this as AB multiplied by C. Since matrix multiplication is associative, therefore we can write this as P transpose P multiplied by A, and here also with associativity P transpose P. So now let's see what is P transpose P. We have P equal to this. So what is P transpose? P transpose is root 3 by 2. Then half will come here, minus half will go there, and here root 3 by 2. And P is root 3 by 2 minus half root 3 by 2. I hope you all know what is the transpose of a matrix. If A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, then what is transpose? A transpose is equal to the rows will become column and the columns will become the row. So write the rows in column and write the columns in the row. So this is the transpose matrix. So I hope you all understand what is transpose. So let me remove this. Now find this multiplication. So what is matrix multiplication? So this is basically dot product of the row with the columns. So first take the first row and the first column. Now find the dot product. So root 3 by 2 multiplied by root 3 by 2, then plus minus half multiplied by minus half. Now what will be the second element? This is dot product of the first row with the second column. So root 3 by 2 into half, then plus minus half multiplied by root 3 by 2. Now in this element, take the second row and multiply this by the first column. So find the dot product, half into root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into minus half. And now take the second row and dot product of it with the second column. So you will get half into half plus root 3 by 2 multiplied by root 3 by 2. Now let's find what is this. So here this is root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3, this is 4, plus here is 1 by 4. This part becomes 0, this part becomes 0, and here 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now it is 4 by 4, this is 0, this is 0, this is 4 by 4. So here it will be 1, 0, 0, 1. So what is this? This is 2 by 2 identity matrix. So we have got P transpose P is equal to identity matrix. So now from here, what is P transpose Q P? So P transpose Q P is equal to, we had P transpose P multiplied by A multiplied by P transpose P. Now P transpose P is identity matrix. Now this is A and this is identity matrix. So finally we get P transpose P is equal to A. You have to find P transpose Q to the power 2026 P. So now we find what is P transpose Q square P. Let's find. Now write P transpose Q square means Q multiplied by Q, then P. Now write P transpose. What is Q? Q is P A P transpose. Here also write P A P transpose. Now P. Now what you get? By matrix multiplication's associativity, you get P transpose P into A. Here also you get P transpose P into A, and here you get P transpose P. Now what is P transpose P? We found that P transpose P is equal to I2. So here is A, here is I2, here is A, and here is I2. So finally we got A into A, that is A square. So you get P transpose Q square P. P transpose Q square P is equal to A square. If you proceed like this, you will get P transpose Q to the power n P is equal to A to the power n. That is P transpose Q to the power 2026 P is equal to A to the power 2026. So we have to find what is A to the power 2026. Now our A was, A is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1. So from here find A square. A square is equal to multiplication of this 1, 1, 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 0, 1. So matrix multiplication, that is dot product again. So with the first row, dot product of the first column, then first row dot product of the second column. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0, then 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Then with the second row dot product of the first column, so 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, and with the second row dot product of the second column. So 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So let's see what is this. We get, here you get 1, here you get 2, here you get 0, and here you get 1. This is A square. Now let's find what is A cube for your convenience. A cube is equal to A square multiplied by A. So what is A square? A square is 1, 2, 0, 1, and A is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1. So what is this? In the similar way find the multiplication, that is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0, then 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1, then 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, then 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So now it is 1, this is 1 plus 2, that means 3. Here it becomes 0 and it becomes 2 plus 1, that is 3. So what you get, sorry, 1 minute, sorry, this I wrote wrong. It will be 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1 with the second row dot product of the second column. So 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So that's why it will be 0 into 1 means 0 plus 1, that is 1. So now observe that in A square, so observe that in matrix A, this is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 0. In A square, what we find? We find this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. So these three elements are fixed. What has changed? This element has changed. This A1 2 position has changed. So in A, in matrix A, that is A to the power 1, this is 1 to the power 1. Sorry, this is 1 multiplied by 1. In matrix A square, that is what is the power? In this place, the power. This is the power of this matrix. That is, here is A square. Here you get the power, that is 2. In A cube, in the matrix A cube, this is power is 3, and this place in A12 position you get 3, that is the power. So in similar way, you can say that a to the power 2026, that will be, these all elements will be fixed. In this position, A1, 2 position, you will get the power, that is 2026. Therefore, a to the power 26 is this. Now, our P transpose Q to the power 26 into P is equal to a to the power 26. Now, what is a to the power 26? That is 1, 2026, 0, 1. So, P transpose Q to the power 2026 P is equal to 1, 2026, 0, 1. So, what is the answer? This option C is the correct answer. I hope you all have understood this problem. If you want the solutions of more problems like this, then please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.